It says I need this drill, measuring tape, a level, and a pencil. I'm moving as fast as I can. You're the one I need to get rid of.
It's time to rethink some things.
Stay tuned, y'all. You're going to watch him put all this stuff together by himself.
Alright, what it do, y'all? We back. We give y'all that pan real quick. Look who I got with me getting out of the car. Hurry up, woman. We got a couple of things to get done today. We don't have very long like I normally tell y'all. But look, we've been out for a couple of weeks.
Whoa.
What?
That's a lot of back here.
You can't say...
Did you put all this on here? Jack. Jack been dropping deuces back here.
Jack that's his spot? Come on, Jack. We got some more wood. We're gonna finish buttoning that up. Thank y'all for subscribing, sticking around. It's crazy. What we need y'all to do, hit the thumbs up button and hype your homies up, man. Go hit the hype button too.
You better hype your bestie up.
Huh?
You ain't got no, you better hype your bestie up.
Hold up, man. We learned that from the kids, which has been keeping us busy, which is why we ain't.
The kids?
Yeah, I
learned that all by my lonesome.
Like I said, we finna get to work. Appreciate all y'all.
You may be old, but I'm not. I know.
Open sesame, mother. All right. So we got a couple of things we're gonna do today. We're gonna put this door handle on the powerhouse, or deadbolt, I guess, on the powerhouse. But we're also going to kind of show you guys what's up with this Power Queen. It's another golf cart battery. We're gonna show y'all what's up with that battery because we've been using it. Appreciate Power Queen. We'll get at you in a minute. So we are going to work on throwing that siding up. What's up in there, Nathan? Last time I was here, y'all, I ended up just putting up those few little pieces up there of soffit so that we can kind of get it dried in. Today is going to be a hot one, so we are going to try and see if we can get that, put that battery to work, that Power Queen to work, and put that AC in here and see if it'll run that AC. She about to get started, get it knocked out. Okay, hold up, knees. I was bringing you your stairs. What you got, stickers?
No, this is directions.
Directions, manual, that stuff out of here.
Oh, wait.
Stuff ain't.
Stop
Stuff ain't nothing. You don't need that. You don't, for real, you don't need it.
Stickers.
Stickers.
I like this one.
Okay, we can put them somewhere. Nope, it ain't going on the door. We ain't sticker people like that. All right, put that stuff back in there. Here,
oh, they're directions.
Okay, you want to read the directions for the folks?
Do not connect the terminals directly to each other.
What? Yeah, let's not do that.
What if we did?
Well, we could do it. But it'll be ridiculous.
We'll be asking them for another battery.
All right, they sent us out this big boy, 48 volt, 100 amp hour. It's got an app, no extras with it, no screen to go on it, no nothing. You can see what was in the box.
That's it.
Is absolutely nothing else.
But where's the post volt?
The terminals, we used it before, so I have them on there already. Oh. We've been using this battery so far just to run a few lights, a few small things, but today we finna use this thing for, what we finna use it for?
The air conditioner.
The air conditioner. Yep, sideways is good. Don't let it touch the terminals.
Oh, it's all up on top of them things.
Oh, God.
Look at this.
What?
Jada's friend posted.
I need more. What? How'd you get it?
She sent it to us.
What? If y'all wondering, that's my daughter's cookie business, and it's thriving. Throw a thumbs up on the video if y'all want to show support to my baby girl. She thriving. All right, let's get this opened. AC unit. Let me go get a screwdriver.
Okay.
And then, yeah, we can put that in the window.
Okay.
Open it up, please, ma'am.
Okay.
So before we connect that battery and the inverter and all of that good stuff, we are going to throw this AC in the window, which means we got a couple of things to hook up. Wow.
There you go. You want the directions?
No, that's on you.
Oh.
Knock that thing up. Get us set up. You need this?
Maybe. It says I need this. I need a flat, they call it a flat blade screwdriver. I thought it was
It's
called
a flat
flat
head. They tripping.
It says a drill, measuring tape, a level, and a pencil.
We need.
You're going to give me half the tools I need.
I didn't even give you half.
And you're going to expect me to
You
get it done, woman.
You gonna make that work.
Mm-hmm.
You got a problem with what I said?
You get it done, woman.
Get it done. All right, let's see you work. Let me take me a
You
break.
look like a creepy neighbor.
What you doing in here?
All right, let's see.
It's really
Number 1 of 30. It's only 7.
I wish you'd come on.
It's only 7. Stay tuned, y'all. You're going to watch him put all this stuff together by himself.
Hey, you need me. It's okay. It's okay to know. It's okay to understand that I'm the one you need.
To get rid of.
That's not nice.
I've been trying for 25 years.
Has it been 25 years? Man, it's been 25 years. I still like
20,
you.
almost 26 years.
I like you. It's 25. It's 25. No, this is 20. We've been together 26 years. It's time to rethink some things.
I ain't never done this before. I ain't never done this before, no. You? I don't think we did this on ours.
With the little slide-in thing? Nah.
That's cool. I think the last one I used was dry rotted and we used cardboard.
That's for real though. Oh snap.
It might be too much.
Why? Let's see. Yeah, you see that space between there?
We just have to cut it a little bit.
No, I don't think we do.
Babe, we have to. This
Oh,
has to go in the side of the
on to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a little song?
I do.
Let's see what you got, sir.
We're off still by a little bit.
So do the inch on the other side too.
Is that tight enough? See all that space right there? So we got the Power Queens positive and negative. We are using the EG4 as I always do for, you know, kind of testing all my batteries out, y'all. And we are going to go ahead and connect. Okay. All right. Stick that off in the corner. This is what we're going to actually be plugging into, y'all. Got the terminals connected for the Power Queen. We already know how I run my EG4. If you don't, go back and look at the other videos, but this is just a system I put together real quick. It's nothing permanent, and it's like my portable unit. And then later when we're on the homestead full time, this will be a very important part of another build, but or it might end up in here. We'll see. Plug that in.
Well,
oh wait.
Yeah, you got to turn.
You got to turn the surge protector.
Oh. You got to do that.
Yeah. And you can see down here it's green too, y'all. Everything is good.
You ready?
Yeah. Lord help you.
Alright. Towards me. And that towards you.
Alright, check that out. It's like on standby. I wonder why it's jumping. Like it keeps going.
It's just this and this.
Yeah. Oh, does it point up and down? Okay. Maybe it doesn't, babe.
It's got a little turn thing on it.
Maybe it doesn't. I don't like how the app is jumping around though, but you can see on here that it's pulling it's running 120 volts. It's pushing it out. Oh, it's cool and it's quiet actually. So let's turn this thing down a little bit.
Hey, now?
Yes, indeed.
What temperature do you want it at?
Okay, there's the compressor kicked in. I'm not sure why it keeps on going into standby mode. What did you ask it to do?
Put it on high.
Alright, y'all. This is pretty dope. Alright, so we got AC out here, baby. I'm gonna shut the door.
Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah. So, AC's in. She's still looking at directions, but it's actually cool in here. But as y'all can see, no insulation. The back is still open. But if we just wanted to, we'd be all right. We'd be in here with some AC. That's pretty nice, babe. That's pretty nice. Power Queen doing its thing, man. All cells are well balanced. Battery is optimal, or is in optimal working condition, and your BMS is running smoothly. Wonder what's up with the app. Maybe I need to just update the app. Give me a minute. Y'all, Power Queen is dope. It's running. It looked like to me that it surged up to about 750 at a certain point. This is a pure sine wave inverter, so it shouldn't have been a problem. But yeah, Power Queen, appreciate y'all, man. Sent us out a battery. Y'all, this battery will end up being part of the other golf cart battery system, and it will be run off this EG4. So y'all saw our other golf cart battery that's same as this. Power Queen jumped in the game. So dope. We will probably get, I know I say this all the time, a few more of those so we can grow that. Y'all know we got an electric car, so we need to be able to dump some power from one battery bank to another. But anyway, Power Queen, links will be in the description. It's obviously running that, and it said it'll run it for about, I guess, somewhere between 7 and 12 hours. So it's a small unit. It works. Good job. You got you some AC in this thing, baby. All right, that's gonna stay in the window. We're gonna get that straightened out. Stay tuned. We're gonna finish working out here for the hour or so that we have. Homestead Homies, you know, T3 Tribe, we love y'all, man.
Deuce.